Hello everyone, welcome to this demonstration of Sale Order Multi-Warehouse Odoo app by BrowseInfo. So basically, the Sale Order Multi-Warehouse Odoo app lets you select different warehouses for each sale order line. It automatically picks the warehouse based on the product, and when the order is confirmed, separate delivery orders are created for each warehouse. So for the first step, I have configured the database here, and now I'm just moving forward with the sales module, and I'm just going to the configuration, and I'm just moving with the settings. So, in the journal settings, under quotations and orders, you can find one configuration like allow warehouse in sale order line. You just have to enable the same, and I'm just going to save it. Now, I'm just moving with the products, and here I have selected one product, and here I'm just setting the warehouse as browse info for this product. Now I'm selecting the another product, and here I'm selecting the another warehouse for the same. So after that, I'm just going to create the new quotation, and I'm selecting the customer as deco addict, and now I'm just selecting the products. So here you can see the warehouse sales warehouse for the product is automatically fetched. So here you can see for both the products we have a different warehouse. Now I'm just going to confirm the same, and here you can see the two different delivery operations are created for two different warehouses within the same company. Now I'm just moving forward with the one operation. So here you can see the delivery address is from the another warehouse, and here it is from the browse info sales, the second warehouse we have configured. So after that, I'm just moving with the inventory, and under the configuration you can see the warehouses. So here you can manage as many warehouses you want to manage and use it for the different products according to the need for the sales, purchase, and many more operations you want to manage. Thanks for watching. So basically, the sale order multi warehouse Odoo apps allows you to easily manage the multi location sales by choosing the warehouses per line and automating the deliveries and improving the stock accuracy, all within one sale order. If you have any questions or doubt, please mention it in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe the browse info channel. Thank you.